What if Thor had a dog? What if Thor had a dog?
What?
And the dog takes shits outside, and Thor's like, "Hey, while I'm gone, can you watch my dog?" And he shits a lot outside.
Yeah.
So the person's like, "Okay, yeah, don't worry about it. I'll watch the dog and I'll pick him up." So then, what if the person goes over to Thor's house that day, and the dog took a bunch of shits, right? Only Thor is worthy enough to pick up the shits. The guy can't pick him up, just like his hammer.
Oh.
Right? Does it work that way? Because is the dog only worthy to be Thor's dog, but only Thor is worthy to pick up the dog's shit? Does it work that way?
I have no idea, but I can honestly